Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm gonna be doing something different from what I normally do. No wigs, no braids, but I'm definitely gonna be adding some length to this baby. As you can see, I already blew my hair out, getting it all ready for what I'm about to do. So my hair has been growing and I'm happy about that. The braids and like the twist that I've been wearing has been really growing it out, but sometimes I really don't notice how much it has grown until I blow it out like today. So this is the company I'm going to be working with today, Better Length, here for Black women. I've worked with them before, so this is like my third time working with them. This is their Kinky straight clip-ins, and I can't wait to put them in my hair to see what they look like. As you can see, the hair has a fold in it from being in the bag, so what I'm going to do is blow it out before I put them in. Now you can see what the hair looks like since I blow it out. It's so nice and full, and the fold that was in it is gone. So now it's looking really beautiful and ready to go in my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and part some sections out to put my clip-ins. And I could use my fingers to do this, but today I chose to use a comb. If you're doing this, just know that the parting doesn't need to be straight. It's really not necessary when you're doing clip-ins because all those partings are going to be covered. For me, some of my partings are going to be straight, some are going to be crooked, but it doesn't matter to me. It's not like when I'm doing box braid and I'm taking my time. These are clip-ins and I'm moving as fast as I possibly can to get it done faster. This is what the clip-ins look like. I was trying to show you guys, but I realized it's blurry, so in another clip I'll show you guys exactly what they look like, how you open them and all that. So after I open them up, I clip it onto my hair and then I close it, and that's all I need to do to hold it in my hair. You're gonna see me pulling on it to show you it's not going nowhere. It's nicely secured to my hair. Not only is it secured to my hair, but it also blends beautifully with my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a second row and show you guys again, how I add the clip-ins. Here I'm going to show you again. To open it, I just push on the middle of the back of them, and then I stick them on to my hair, stick them down in my hair, because now they look like a comb. And then I squeeze onto the two ends, to push them the opposite way and close them so they could hold on to my hair. And once again, that's all I have to do. It is so easy to get these clip-ins in, and it's so easy to get them out. So now I'm going to speed the video for the rest of it. Hope you guys don't mind. Hope you guys got the full understanding. And if not, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment box and I'll definitely get back to them as soon as I possibly can. Another thing I forgot to mention, the clip-ins, they come in different sizes, so there's no need to do any cutting. All you gotta do is check the size in the package and measure it on your hair where you're gonna put it and see what piece would fit where. I totally forgot how many pieces there were in the package, but I used all of them except one. And for each length, I had 2 pieces. For example, if I had 10 pieces, it would be 5 different lengths. So no need to cut any of the pieces because you'll definitely have a long enough or a short enough piece for each section of your hair. So adding these clip-ins took me only about 15 minutes. So like I told you guys earlier, it is very easy to install. Now that I'm up to the top, I only have a few more pieces to add, so I'm gonna go ahead and add them in, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Now I've completed adding in the clip-ins, so what I'm gonna do now is blow my hair out some more, and also the clip-ins I'm gonna blow them out too, so it will blend perfectly with my hair. As you can see, guys, it only took me one pack to complete this look, and I promise you, if you're doing your hair with these clip-ins, you only need one pack. You definitely don't need to get any more than that, because then you're gonna have way too much that you don't need. So one pack is perfect for a full head. When I'm using the blow dryer on my hair, I definitely use some kind of heat protection to keep my hair from getting damaged from all that heat. And this is the finished look, you guys. Do you guys see how nicely my natural hair blends in with these clip-in hair? I think they blend in so well together. It is definitely worth the money if you ask me. If you want to add some length to your hair and still keep it looking natural, these are definitely the clip-ins for you. This company, Better Length, is specialized in making textured clip-ins. Like I said, I worked with them before. The first time was some curly clip-ins, and they blend very well with my hair. And now I'm trying their Kinky straight clip-ins, and I absolutely love them. Definitely check the description box for my discount code, because you guys already know I love to save you money when you purchase from these companies. If this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!